Veronica, and this is my first video of the new year. I want to say Happy New Year to all of you guys, all of my subscribers, all of you guys who are watching. Happy New Year. I am so glad to see you, so glad to be recording YouTube videos again. I've just been gone, I know, MIA, wrapped up with school and everything. So this is going to be my planner haul video for the year. I am going to be showing you guys what I hauled for my new planner for the year 2020, for this year. I am going to, however, be keeping the same Happy Planner Mini, but I do plan on franking planning this mini with a new Happy Planner that I'm going to show you in a few minutes. Yeah, so I'm going to change up a few things about my planner. Not too much because I'm really liking the format, and I do want to apologize in advance. I have my 1-year-old here with me, so if you hear any background noise, it's her. She's just pretty much getting into everything as they normally do at this age, but she's right here next to me. But yeah, so I'm not changing up too much in my planner. I do plan on you know, just changing it up a little bit. I'm changing these discs out, I'm changing the cover, I'm franking planning a little bit, and I wanted to get some new sticky notes because I ran out while I was in school last semester, and I'm gonna be finishing up my final semester in a couple of weeks, so I'm really excited about that, to finally be graduating. And I just wanted to have something that is not only just pretty and you know, reflects my, you know, my creative side, but is very functional as well. So if you guys are interested in watching what I hauled for my 2020 planner, then stay tuned. Okay, the first thing that I purchased was this kind of like this planner cover from the Paper Studio, the Agenda 52. This is called Jewel Floral. It is so pretty. I just love how cute this is, and you will see a theme this year. I just love everything with florals on it for some reason. I just love this. They had a really good sale at Hobby Lobby. I believe this was 50% off. No, actually more. I got this for the original price is $20, and I got it for $7.50. So I mean, I feel like it was a really good deal. I just wanted something to cover my mini planner, because when I didn't have any covers on it, I don't know if you noticed or anything, but it's pretty scratched up. It's actually bent on all the corners, and the stickers, the pretty cute stickers that I had on here, actually started to rub off. So I just wanted something that can protect the Happy Planner and also the papers, because when I kept it in my purse or in my backpack, the papers would fall out. I've had papers rip on me. It was just a mess. So I knew I needed something to protect it, and I felt like this would work. I've seen a lot of videos where people took the rings out of this and use it for their Happy Planners. So that's what I plan on doing with this. I'm trying to find a way to do this without having to cut this seam, because I don't want to mess up this pretty stitching. I feel like this is just too cute to mess up. You know, if it messes up a little bit on the inside, I feel like I can cover that with some washi or some tape, glue it down, whatever. But I really am trying to see how I'm going to get these rings out without damaging the outside of this binder, because it's just too pretty for that. The next few things I purchased were like smaller items from Hobby Lobby. Let me put them all over here. I purchased some smaller rings. I opened them up just to see how big they were. I got some smaller rings because I knew that the jumbo rings that I have on my mini Happy Planner were not going to fit into this binder. So I got some classic size rings. I feel like they should be big enough to fit everything that I want to keep in my planner. It can fit inside the binder and to match the planner cover that I plan on changing. I also purchased an accessory pack to fit inside my mini. I needed a folder to fit in there. I didn't have a folder, so I knew I wanted a folder, and it has stickers and sticky notes. Like I said, I've been running out of sticky notes, so I have some of those. It has a bookmark, and this is from the Wrong collection, which I thought would be a cute little addition to add into my Happy Planner. Now this one I kind of like. I don't know if what I was thinking, but this is way too big to fit inside of my mini. So what I'm thinking is that I'm going to just take some of the planner sticky notes off of here and stick it onto like a little plastic piece like this. Like I could take these off and stick some new ones on. But I didn't read carefully to see what size this was. I just assumed that this was mini when I typed it in and it popped up. So, but it's no brainer. Like, it's no problem. I'll still be able to fix it. It's still like the wrong collection. It's super cute and I can't wait to add that to my planner. I also picked up these cute stickers that says enjoy life. I don't know. It was super cheap. I think it was like 79 cents or something like that. And I thought, well, maybe I can incorporate it inside of my binder that I just purchased. So I got that. I also purchased some of these cute little bows. These are bow paper clips. They're super cute. I'm going to add those inside of the planner as well. And I purchased this really cute sticker with these little gems on it. I just think that this is super cute that I'm going to add as like a little decoration, little embellishments or whatever to add into the planner or into the binder for decoration. I did purchase a few sheets of paper for decorative purposes. I feel like I can add them into the binder for decoration, laminate them, turn them into dashboards, who knows, but they were just super cute. They were $1/4 a piece and I got 3. Don't ask me why I didn't get 4. I don't know. I was rushing for whatever reason. The other things that I purchased were from Joann's, and I got a new Happy Planner Mini, and I have some mini sheets to add into the back of the planner just to help me stay organized. And one of the goals of this year is to be more active on social media. I've just been MIA. Just been a lot been going on. Life, you know, children, school, and just everything. So I've been MIA on social media, and one of the things that I really want to do this year is just to be more present, to be more active, and to connect more with people. I just feel like I've just been so, disconnected from everyone because I've just been so like overwhelmed with life in general. I'm pretty sure a lot of you moms can understand, but I definitely want to be more present on social media. And I got this planner, one, because it is just so cute, and 2, because this is different from the planner that I have. The planner that I have is vertical. No, it's not vertical, it's horizontal. So this is a vertical planner. I did have a vertical classic size planner, but I never had a vertical mini before. So I thought that this would be interesting to kind of Frankenplan, keep some of my horizontal spreads, but also incorporate some of these vertical spreads in here. I am going to be changing out some of the dashboards because some of them are just downright gorgeous. So I will be incorporating, like adding some of these dashboards into the current mini that I have. And Frankenplanning using this, but it's just so pretty. It has the rose gold lettering, foiling on there, and the pretty purple flowers, which, by the way, looks really pretty together with this new binder that I'm going to be putting it in. So I'm really excited about this. Just trying to Frankenplan, trying to make it my own, trying to make it work and functional for me. So that's what I'll be working on. And last but not least, I wouldn't consider it a planner, but it's something that I'm going to be carrying with me and trying to incorporate with, like, alongside with planning. But I also picked up this journal that I plan on not just using this like as a daily journal, like this is what I went through today type journal, but just trying to get back on my spiritual journey, trying to meditate, get back into meditation, eating healthy, just all of that. Just a kind of like a wellness journal, if that makes any sense. And things that I'm trying, things that work, things that don't work, so I can just come back and reflect on this and see what I can do or create like this daily regimen to get myself back on track, because I've just been, like I said, just been overwhelmed with so much, and I just need something to help me stay on track. So this is all for my 2020 planner haul. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being so patient. And I also want to, like I said, I will be using this and, you know, taking the rings out, turning this into like my planner cover, and also franken planning using this new planner that I have with my old one that I've been using. So you guys let me know if you would like to see me film a video with me franken planning and turning this binder into a happy planner cover. So just give it a like, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you'd like to see me record this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Again, Happy New Year, and I am so happy to be back. Bye guys, I'll see you later.